If you have a free disk space problem, perhaps NTFS Compression can help. NTFS is free and comes with Windows. It can be used in Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, and Windows 11 without the need to install anything. Right-click on the folder or file that you think takes too much space, and then click Properties. Next, click Advanced and tick the checkbox that says Compress Contents to save disk space. Click OK, then Apply. Choose Apply Changes to this folder, subfolders, and files. Then click OK to start the compression, which could take some time. Notice the difference between the file size and its size on the disk. Normally, the size on the disk should be equal or bigger than the actual file size. Notice the difference between the file size and its size on the disk again. The file size is now bigger than the size on the disk due to compression. Notice how the folder we just compressed has a different icon now to show that it is compressed. For demonstration purposes, let us repeat this for the other folders so that we can compare. Now let us compare the results for the three folders that we just compressed. The measurement of the relative reduction in the size of data produced by data compression is called compression ratio. Compression ratio is defined as the ratio between the uncompressed size and compressed size. The higher the ratio, the greater the saving in disk space. As you can see, the compression ratio, and therefore the disk space gain, depends on the data. So in some cases, compression savings can be negligible, while significant in other cases. NTFS compression is transparent. That means that programs are not aware of the compression and will treat the files and folders as if they are not compressed. To demonstrate, we will copy a compressed folder. Notice that the folder was copied as uncompressed. This shows that you can continue using your applications to deal with compressed data as you normally would. Thank you for watching and see you next time.